guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making a vegetarian, it's also vegan friendly chow mein recipe. It's super easy. It has a few ingredients, but once you get your things going, it's super easy, super fun, easy recipe. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah. Alright guys, so these are my ingredients right here. In this plate right here, I have some beans, I have onions, this is finely chopped ginger and garlic, this is scallions, green bell peppers, carrots, baby corn, and bamboo shoots. Every single thing here I got from Walmart. Everything here was in the vinegar aisle in Walmart except for the beans and carrots. Beans, carrots, and onions. Everything else, yeah, I think everything else was in the vinegar aisle. So yeah, and this is the chow mein noodles that I'll be using. Unfortunately, I could not find fresh, so I'm going to use these dried chow mein noodles that were also in the vinegar aisle. So it was this with the bamboo shoots and the carrots, and my fortune cookies, which I'm going to put on the side. These were found in the vinegar aisle. I also have some chopped nuts. You can use whatever nuts you want to use. Yeah, and these are cashews that I chopped really small. I'm going to sprinkle over the top. And now we're going to move on to making a dressing for our noodles. Alright guys, so now we're going to move on to the dressing for our noodles. To my soy sauce, I'm going to add my cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, use flour. I'm going to add my honey, which I should have turned it upside down before I even started this clip, but okay, there it goes. You're gonna add your honey. You can use rice wine vinegar. I'm using coconut vinegar. This vinegar I also found in Walmart in the same exact aisle. This is coconut vinegar, organic coconut vinegar. You're gonna add some sesame oil. I'm eyeballing, but my recipe will definitely be in the description box. And some pepper. And that's pretty much it. Like, it's pretty simple, guys. You can't mess this up. 1, 2, 3, and you're done. You do not need salt because you already know the soy sauce is very salty. You can use light sodium soy sauce if you prefer. But again, make sure you watch your salt. Alright guys, so first you're going to saute your ginger, garlic, and onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Probably just 2 minutes, just so the fragrance to come out and get it all nice and good. So I'm going to saute this for about another minute. And then we're going to start adding all the vegetables. Alright, so I added the peppers, the carrots, and the scallions, and I allowed them to go for about 2 minutes. Now you're just going to take your baby carrots, your beans, and your bamboo shoots and put them down in there. You're going to saute this. You probably want to crank your heat up. My heat is definitely not high enough. And I'm going to saute these for another 2 minutes. And then we're going to add the sauce and the noodles and wrap this up. Alright, so I'm going to add my noodles down in here. Make sure you cook the noodles to the directions on the back of your package. Stir this up. How good does that look? Then you're going to take your sauce. And you're going to pour it. You're going to cook this down for another minute or so, just so the sauce could tighten up on the noodles. And we're pretty much done here. Alright, so I cut the heat off, and now right at the end you want to add some sesame seeds. I have some black and white sesame seeds. Once I plate this up, I'm going to add my chopped nuts on top. And I'll show you guys exactly what that looks like. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like in my bowl. I have my fortune cookies on the side, and I'm just going to take my sesame seeds, put some more on top. This is so pretty. Easy to entertain with this dish too. It's so fast. Yes, the prep time is a bit, you know, it's not as fast as the cook time, but it's definitely worth it. Then you're going to add your chopped nuts. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, simple vegetarian chow mein recipe. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.